Hey there! Today I'm tackling a data problem that involves finding the monthly average values for NDRE and NDVI. The issue at hand revolves around formatting errors when attempting to process the date information. Let's dive into the solution now. In the provided solution, the code snippet starts by using the Pandas library to manipulate the data. The dataset, containing farm IDs and values for NDRE and NDVI at different dates, is structured into a Pandas data frame. The code then utilizes the Pandas melt function to transform the data into a vertical format. This conversion allows for easier handling and analysis of the information. The subsequent steps involve splitting the columns to extract the type, NDRE or NDVI, and the date. Filtering by type and grouping by date and type, the code calculates the mean values for the monthly averages of NDRE and NDVI. The results are displayed, providing insights into the average values. Continuing with the solution, an alternative approach is presented to achieve the monthly averages for NDRE and NDVI. By reconfiguring the data frame and leveraging the unstack function, the code creates a multi-index to manage the dataset effectively. Grouping by date and type, the mean values for NDRE and NDVI are calculated. The results are neatly compiled, showcasing the monthly average values for each type across different dates. This method offers another perspective on deriving the desired insights from the data. To wrap it up, we've successfully navigated through the data problem, overcoming formatting challenges to calculate the monthly average values for NDRE and NDVI. The provided solutions demonstrate the versatility of Pandas in handling and processing complex datasets efficiently. I hope you found this exploration of data manipulation insightful and valuable. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below for more engaging content. Stay curious and keep coding.